How to make origami swan. First, you need to get a regular piece of paper at the same size, just like a square. Then you fold it across like a triangle. Once you do that, you get one of the corners and fold it into the middle to make it look like a kite. You do that on both sides. Once you do that, the unfolded corner, which will be the top part, you get that part and you fold it downwards until the sides meet up with the corners. After that, you'll have a regular triangle. Now keep it upside down, and from the two corners of that upside down triangle, the top two, you fold them to the middle. Once again, seal. Once that's over, flip it over, and from the long side of the corner, make it fold it across to meet the other corner. Once that's done, flip it over again and it will look like a Superman symbol. Then from the sides, you fold them inwards, not all the way, just to where the corner meets the top part on both sides. Once that's done, you open those corners you just folded, and you make a small triangle downwards. Once that's over, get the corner from the back side and bring it upwards, and then fold it in half. Then fold it upwards to either side. Once you do that, bring it back down to the way it was, and then open it the other way. Once you open it from both sides, you create the head by folding the tip of it to either side. Once you get the tip, put it back to the way it was, and then open the sides and point the tip downwards, and by itself it will create the head. And finally, you fold the bottom corners of the swan so it can be able to sustain up by itself.